way, went out of Arizona in the 1870s, but came back in the 1880s. He did some world traveling. Came back and settled down in the Florence, Arizona area, which is about 40, 50 miles southeast of Phoenix. When he came back to Arizona, he created the Arizona Historical Society, which is still going strong today. They're headquartered in Tucson. So he's also the father of the Arizona Historical Society. Okay. Now this guy. What does this guy have to do with Prescott? Well, he is the guy that signed the bill making Arizona a separate territory. There were members in Congress saying, why should this happen? There's not enough people in the New Mexico territory to make it two separate territories. Obviously, Lincoln was one of those individuals that didn't agree with that. He was convinced by Poston and others to make Arizona a separate territory. So on February 24th, 1863, again, right smack in the middle of the Civil War, Arizona becomes a separate territory because of his signature. Here's what the original county, by the way, actually, there ought to be another Arizona map here, over here on the left, with the Arizona Territory and Yavapai, just Yavapai. Yavapai is the mother of all Arizona counties. It is actually the oldest county in Arizona. By the way, anybody know what Yavapai means?
I know it's in the Indian.
Oh wait, no, it's a patch.
Well, do you?
Is it spirits of an Indian tribe?
No. If you see in the Native American languages, if you see P-A-I on the end, that means the people. Now we got to figure out what does Yava mean? And Yava, the local Yavapai Indian tribe says that Yava means sun. So literally translated, Yavapai means sun people. Like Havasupai. Havasupai means people of the blue-green water.
That's a good name.
Good name. So you can see here that, and then there were some additional counties that got formed in 1865. And here again, you can see that a little bit of southern Utah was still in Arizona. That would change in 1866. The present-day boundary following the Colorado River, and then the boundary goes straight up north. That was determined finally in 1866.
What happened to Paiute?
Paiute, that county went away. So the border kind of comes up here like this and then goes up like that. And they did away, that became basically part of Nevada. And Mojave County just kind of extended further up. Okay. All right, gang.